In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fly in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to fly in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 on the PlayStation 4, you will need to progress through the story until you defeat Frieza and Cooler. Only after you have defeated these two enemies, you will be able to unlock the ability to fly. It is going to be automatically unlocked for you, so there will be a notification and you will be made aware of when you get the option to fly in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. So if you just want to know when you get the ability, just keep playing until you defeat Frieza. Now, for you to actually fly, all that you have to do is press the jump button, usually the X button. As soon as you press it, you will be able to press it again to float. So press the jump button again while in the air to float. So jump, press it again, and you will be floating. Now, you will be able to hold the left trigger, so L2 to ascend higher. You can keep pressing it down to ascend higher and higher, and you can press the right stick downward to descend. You will be able to use the left stick to control your direction while flying, and you will be able to fly as much as you want. You can only fly outside of battles in specific areas like Content City, and during battles you will need to rely on specific techniques and abilities to move around in the battlefield. But to keep it simple, keep playing the game until you defeat Frieza and Cooler. Once you have completed this objective, you will automatically unlock the ability to fly through your flying license, and you will be able to start flight by jumping and then pressing the jump button again while you are in the air. This will allow you to float, and while floating, you will be able to ascend by holding the left trigger down. You will be able to move the left joystick to control your direction, and you can descend by pressing the right stick downward. I hope I was able to help you on how to fly in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.